Welcome to our new video. Here, we will show you how to use the sources in Data Touch. Users can reach all sources as a list by clicking the Sources button on the menu. Through this screen, users can search by filtering sources. The source to be filtered is selected from the Source Search drop-down menu. Next, the preferred parameters are filled. As values are entered into the parameters, the results are filtered, and the list is updated. By clicking on the Export button, users can export the filtered list to Excel. Source Dashboard includes detailed information about the selected source. It shows graphics for the analysis of all scanned columns and tables of the source based on sensitive and non-sensitive data types and consumers who have access to these data. Sensitive Types chart shows all sensitive types in terms of their names and numbers. Consumer-related charts include the number of consumers, total query of consumers, and daily total usage charts. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly usage shows total usage by date. The date range can be changed via the filter. Number of consumers shows the number of consumers who accessed each sensitive type. In addition, users can hide the sensitive types that have no access by the consumers in each time interval by selecting the Hide Zero values. Total query of consumers shows the total query number of consumers who accessed sensitive types. Users can see the exact number of queries on the bars according to client IP or client hostname. Client IP or hostname selection is made with the toggle. Data usage. By clicking Data Usage button on the Sources dashboard, users can reach out to the Data Usage section with DAM data, which indicates the access information in terms of query details. On this page, database information of the given project environment will be listed. It also shows whether the columns are a sensitive type or not. By clicking Export, users can export the filtered data to Excel. When this button is clicked on Data Usage page, Select Dates and Action window shows up. Users need to select date frame and actions, query types, depending on the date and action selection. Detailed information of the queries that are performed by the consumers within the specific time frame will be displayed as a list on this page. By clicking Export, users can export the filtered data to Excel. By clicking Action Details button, users can reach all query details that are executed by the specific consumers as a list. By clicking Export, users can export the filtered data to Excel. By clicking Copy button, user can copy the relevant query. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.